Hey everyone, Shaunus here. Welcome to this section. In this section, you're going to learn about loops and a few other useful Python functions to work with numbers and values and to get some certain values and just make your life easier, a lot easier when you're programming in Python. So as I said, we're going to talk about loops, which are incredibly important, and they're going to introduce you to a new concept of working with information and kind of pulling information out of lists and variables and things like that. And also we're going to talk about range as well, which is another useful thing to actually help you to work with numbers and values and all sorts of stuff in Python. So again, it's a pretty interesting section because we're going to get into, as we're going down to this whole series, we're going to talk about a lot more advanced concepts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it a lot more simpler for you. We're going to break it down into really small videos to make sure you understand, and we're going to do a lot of interesting exercises as well to make sure that you get everything there is to know about this section, because it's a very important section, especially if you want to get into data science. It's something you definitely want to understand and pay attention. So one more thing, by the end of this section, we're going to create a really fun project. We're going to create a password generator, which is a very useful tool if you think about it. You know, it's going to help you to just make some useful passwords, and based on the characters and like criteria of the password that you need, that way you can keep your accounts secure. All right guys, so let's get it started. I'm really excited because the for loops and like ranges and stuff like that are actually where you really are going to expand your knowledge in Python, and you're going to really become a good programmer. So let me know if you have any questions so far, and let's get it started.